This one is going back to the French breads, but it's really, really important because I know that up until now, I really had it in my brain that all of these recipes were for stiff doughs. Now, one thing really beautiful about these early recipes is that they sound like they're answering the question, how do you make bread? And they're written in a way that you feel that someone is standing holding your hand. And I miss that. And rereading them for this talk, I really got to feel that we, we're in a whole new place now, which I am going to talk about. But that we, in a way, lost our way. Wow, it's already 10:24. Okay, take 3 quarts of water and one of milk. In winter, scalding hot. In summer, a little more warm, little um, more than milk warm. Super important. Bread is time and temperature. All historic bread recipes tell you use warm to hot water. Do it. Your dough should be in the range of 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 25 degrees Celsius or so. Then take a pint and a half of good ale yeast, not bitter. Lay in a gallon of water the night before. Pour off the water. Should tell you how to deal with the yeast. Stir in your yeast into the milk and water. Then with your hand, break in a little more than a quarter of a pound of butter, an actual number. Work it well till it's dissolved. Then beat up 2 eggs in a basin, a number. Stir them. Have about a peck and a half of flour, again, a number. Mix it with your liquor. In winter, make your dough pretty stiff. In summer, more slack. An interesting detail, so that you may use a little more or less flour according to the stiffness of your dough. Again, something that is not reflected in baker's math. Mix it well, but the less you work, the better. Make it into rolls and have a very quick oven. When they've lain a quarter hour, turn them on the side, and here's the baking instruction that's going to get us to um, um, the rasped roll. When you add the 63% plus the 17%, because you're going to use dried yeast, you have an 80% hydration.